Oh my gosh, there he comes. What was that? Reagan, did you see that? Okay, I think we're done.